Hello everyone, myself Rani Rao. Today we are going to learn about the science subject components of food. Carbohydrates. It provide energy instantly to the human body. It's obtained from plants in the form of starch and in sugar products. Which foods have carbohydrates? Dairy, milk, yogurt, and ice cream. In fruits, whole fruits and fruit juice. In grains, bread, rice, crackers, and cereals. In legumes, beans and other plant based proteins, starchy vegetables, potatoes, and corn. Sugary sweets, limit this, soda, candy, cookies, and other desserts. Carbohydrates are considered to be the best source of energy because they break down easily to give instant energy to our body. They provide us short-term energy. Next components of food is protein. Protein is necessary for growth and development of the human body. It's obtained from plant sources and animal sources like groundnuts, almonds, beans, milk, cheese, eggs, meat, fish, etc. Proteins are body building nutrients which are required for growth and repair of our body cells. Proteins in our diet come from both plants and animal sources. Soya bean is the richest source of protein for vegetarians. Next components of food is fats. Fats is provide energy to the human body. It's obtained from the both plants and animal sources. Sources of fats are fatty meats and fish, cheese, butter, avocado, nuts and seeds, chocolates, etc. Fats are the richest source of energy. They give us more energy than carbohydrates. Fats get stored in our body and give energy to us whenever required. Hence, they provide long-term energy. Eating fats in large quantities lead to increase the weight and is excessive consumption leads to the condition called obesity. Now we are taking information about vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are needed in our body in very small quantities. They do not provide energy to the human body, but their presence is required for the proper functioning of the body. Vitamins keep the human body healthy and protect it from diseases. Our body needs vitamin A, B complex, C, D, E, and K. Let us know about the vitamins. Vitamin A. Vitamin A necessary for good eyesight, keeps skin healthy, helps in fighting infections. Sources of vitamin A are carrot, cod liver oil, milk, eggs, spinach, ripe mango, etc. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B necessary for the formation of red blood cells RBCs needed for proper functioning of muscles, keeps the brain and nerves healthy. Sources of vitamin B are soya bean, spinach, whole grains, gram, pea, bean, milk, curd, eggs, fish, etc. Vitamin C. Vitamin C necessary for keeping the skin and gums healthy. It helps in fighting infections. It helps in healing cuts and wounds. Sources of vitamin C are gooseberry, orange, lemon, guava, etc. Vitamin D. Vitamin D helps in making bones and teeth strong and healthy. Sources of vitamin D are sunlight, milk, eggs, cod liver oil, etc. Vitamin E. Vitamin E keeps the skin and eye healthy. It's essential for normal reproduction. Sources of vitamin E are wheat germ oil, leafy vegetables, almonds, etc. Vitamin K. Vitamin K helping in normal clotting of blood. Sources of vitamin K are green vegetables, tomatoes, also forming intestine. Let us meet the minerals. Minerals are inorganic salt required by the body in small quantities for various cellular processes. They are obtained from various food items and other natural substances such as rocks and shells. Minerals are directly absorbed by the walls of large intestine and later released into the body through blood circulation. Our body needs minerals like iron, calcium, iodine, potassium, etc. Iron. Iron helps in formation of hemoglobin, the red pigment in RBCs. Helps RBCs to transport oxygen. Sources of iron are whole wheat, pulses, green leafy vegetables, apple, baked potatoes with skin, meat and fish. Calcium. Calcium helps in normal clotting of blood. It helps in proper functioning of muscles. It makes the bones and teeth strong. Sources of calcium are milk and milk products like curd, broccoli, and small fish with bones. Iodine. Iodine needed for proper growth and development of body. Sources of iodine are seafood, plants grow in coastal area, and iodized salt. Potassium. Potassium helps in proper functioning of muscles, brain, nerves. It helps in maintaining water balance in body. Sources of potassium are green leafy vegetables, orange, banana, tomato, pea, green gum, beans and soya bean. Let us know more about importance of dietary fiber. We get dietary fiber from vegetables, fruits and whole grain pulses. The dietary fibers are form of cellulose. Since we cannot digest cellulose, the dietary fibers do not provide us any nutrients. They simply add bulk to our food and help to get rid of undigested food. Therefore, dietary fibers are said to form food roughage. What is the dietary fiber? Dietary fiber, also known as roughage or bulk, includes the parts of plants, foods your body can't digest or absorb, like other food components such as fats, proteins, or carbohydrates, which your body breaks down and absorbs. But fibers is not digested by your body. Water. Water is essential for life. About two-thirds of our body weight is water. It maintains our body temperature and it needed in the excretion of body wastage. It helps in the transportation of nutrients in our body. Normally, we get most of the water required by our body from the liquids we drink, such as water, milk, and tea. All fruits and vegetables also contain large quantities of water. Now we are taking information about the balanced diet. The food we take every day like dal, chapatis, rice, curd, vegetables, fruits and milk is called our diet. The diet which contain all the essential nutrients in right proportions along with good amount of roughage and water called a balanced diet. It varies from person to person depending upon the sex, age group and profession. We should take all these type of food in our diet. Food pyramid. A food pyramid or diet pyramid is a pyramid shaped diagram that helps us to select the food item from the basic food groups so as to make a balanced diet. By seeing the pyramid, we also understand that our body requires food in certain quantities. Thus, a food pyramid helps us to eat healthy and balanced diet. Very less amount of food item rich in fats, oil, sugar and salt such as oil, ice cream, burgers, cookies, toffees, etc. Moderate amounts of food item rich in proteins like meat, fish, milk, etc. Plenty of fruits and vegetables. We should always prefer seasonal fruits and vegetables like papaya, guava, watermelon, cucumber, gooseberry, carrot, lady's finger, etc. Adequate amounts of food items like cereals, grains, and pulses. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.